Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will show you a very simple design on how to crochet a headset cover. So I hope you watch and stay until the end of this video. Alright, so to start this project you'll be needing some yarns, and I'll be using this color. It's a Japan surplus yarn, and I think this is enough for the color in the middle. And I'll be using a number 2 crochet hook. This is a Japan surplus crochet hook as well. So we're going to work slip stitch on top of this. So now we're going to chain 3. Alright, so there should be 24 stitches in total. Chain 3 there does not count as a stitch, so we close the round with a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. So this will make the center of our head cover. So now we're going to switch to a different color. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. So the next step, we will continue adding an increase, and at the same time we will be using a different color. So I can start working on any stitch here. So then I'm going to chain 3, and this does not count as a stitch. This time I'll be working 1 double crochet. This is going to be my first stitch for this round, and then 2 double crochet into the next. So the sequence for round 3 will be 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets in every second stitch. So make sure that you put it into the next stitch, that increase or 2 double crochets. Alright, so once you finish this round, you're gonna slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, not the chain 3, because chain 3 doesn't count as a stitch here. So now we're gonna go to the next round, which is we're going to chain 3 again, which does not count as a stitch. 1 double crochet into the same spot, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then into the third one. That is where we're gonna work an increase. So that will be the sequence for this round. We're going to work an increase into every third stitch around.